Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of D4, chapter number 8, that is about locus and construction. In this lesson, students will be discussing basic level question number 1. But before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we need to understand. That what is the meaning of term locus, and what are the types of different loci, and how to construct different types of loci. These are the questions that have to be really clear before moving to this exercise. So, if you have missed the previous lesson or you are catching us late, I will be giving the link of the lesson in the description box, so that you can watch, understand and memorize the types of loci for better understanding of this exercise, because lessons of mathematics are integrated with each other. If a previous link is weak, the new lesson will also be affected. So, you must have to watch and understand the basic lessons for better understanding of this class. Let us move to the exercise. Exercise 8a, the basic level question 1 says that describe the locus of the point P which moves in the plane that it's always 4 centimeter from one fixed point. Okay. Now, recall that what locus is there which is always at fixed distance from one fixed point, that is a circle. So, if this condition is clear to you, how will you find it out? That what do you need to construct is that you have to read the question carefully and see the part of the question that says that construct the locus that is always 4 centimeter from one fixed point O in the plane. This is the indication, and this part will be telling us that what locus we have to construct. So, it means that in order to construct this locus, we have to draw the circle of radius 4 centimeter. So, the materials that you will be needing will be compass with sharpened pencil, your eraser and sharpener, ruler and the protractor. Okay. These are the things that you should have with you, okay, before starting this lesson. You need to use the sharpened pencil. Okay. As I am going to do this work for my students, so that they can see this more clearly. So, I will be using black pen, but you preferably have to use the sharpened pencil. So, as the locus that we need to construct is a circle with what radius? With radius 4 centimeters. So, what I have to do is that I have to first insert my pencil in the compass, and then I have to keep the compass on the ruler, and your measurements have to be really accurate. I need to construct a circle of radius what? Radius 4 centimeter. So, you can see it can have slight error, but your measurements will have to be really accurate. Okay. So, this is 4 centimeter, and now what I have to do is really easy. I have to simply construct a circle. I have to construct a circle carefully and label the locus as well. This is the circle. Let me keep the compass over here. Yes. So, I have drawn the circle, and now what I can do is that I have to mark the center, and the center has to be labeled with letter O, and then I have to draw the radius as well. This is the radius, the distance from the center to the outer boundary, that is 4 centimeter, and then I have to describe the locus as well. The locus of point P is a circle of point P. P is a circle of radius 4 centimeter. This is what you have to do in this exercise. Moving to the next question, and next question says that point X is the fixed point. Point X is the fixed point in the given plane, draw the locus of the point P, which is always 3.5 centimeter from point X. Point X is the fixed point. So, recall that what locus have one fixed point, and in which locus we have to remain at equal distance from one fixed point, that is the circle. So, what will X become? X will become the center of the circle. And what will be the radius of circle? Radius of circle is 3.5 centimeter. If the conditions are clear to my students, then these questions can be done easily. So, I have to open arm of compass of radius. Students, what? That is 3.5 centimeter. Open the compass and now fix the compass on the page, and please hold the compass from the top and then draw a circle. And now what we have to do is that we have to mark center of circle and the radius both. This time the fixed point does not have the name O, it is X. So, I have marked X and radius is 3.5, radius equals to 3.5 centimeters, yes, 3.5 centimeter. So, what description I will be writing? That locus of point P is, okay, locus of point P is a circle of radius what 3.5 centimeters. Moving to the next question, and let me read and understand the question first. Question 3 says, draw the line AB 7 centimeter long. Okay, instruction 1 is that we have to draw the line AB 7 centimeter long. A point P moves such that it's always 3 centimeter from that line AB, and we have to draw the locus of point P. Recall what locus is there. If the conditions are clear, then the question will be easy. We have to construct the parallel lines. Okay. Now, first instruction is that we have to draw the line segment AB 7 centimeter long. So, the measurements have to be really accurate. Okay. So, first of all, what we have to do is that we have to draw a line segment AB which is 7 centimeter long. So, I have to be extra careful about the length of the line. This is AB. AB is 7 centimeter. AB 7 centimeter, and now we have to construct the locus which is always 3 centimeter apart. Now, for that purpose, what I have to do is I have to open arm of compass of radius 3 centimeter. Let me open it properly. Yes, and now I have to draw 2 semicircular arcs on both sides of the line, one like this, one above, one below. This will be helping me in maintaining the distance 3 centimeter. Okay. Now, again repeat the process. This can give me the height. Okay. Now, this distance in this way will always remain 3 centimeters. I hope you are really clear that why I am drawing these all arcs. These arcs will be helping me in maintaining this distance. This distance will remain 3 centimeter. Okay, and now we have to draw the line carefully. We have to draw the line carefully. Okay, on this side as well. Okay, my ruler was slight displaced, and this distance will always be 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. This is the locus. This is the place where that object can be. okay, this is 3 centimeter. So what we can do is that we have to describe as well locus of the point P, has he written point P? Yes, point P are two parallel lines which are at what distance, which are 3 centimeter apart, which are always 3 centimeter from line AB. Moving to question number 5. Question number 5 says 2 points A and B are 7 centimeter apart. The first instruction is the 2 points A and B are 7.5 centimeter apart. Draw the locus of the point P equidistant from A and B. Okay, try to understand the question. Here the instruction 1 is that we have to draw the line segment AB of 7.5 centimeter, and now we have to draw the locus which is at equal distance from two fixed points. Recall that what locus is there which is always at equal distance from two fixed points, that is the perpendicular bisector. So, first of all I have to draw a line segment which is 7.5 centimeter, okay, 7.5 centimeter. So, this will be coming like this, A, and this is 7.5, yes, and I have to mark the points as well, A and B 7.5 centimeter apart. Okay, I will write the length later. First let me construct the perpendicular bisector and recall my previous lesson that what is the procedure for the construction of perpendicular bisector. In order to construct perpendicular bisector, what we have to do, that we have to open arm of compass little more than half of the base radius by observation by looking at the line and not keeping it on the ruler. If you are not clear about how to construct the perpendicular bisector or angle bisector, you can watch the basic lesson so that this lesson becomes easy for you. So, let me draw one arc over here, one above and one below, one above, one below, and then with the same open compass repeat the process with other vertex. Okay, look, my arcs are not cutting. What to do? Don't worry, first complete the process and then go back to the previous point and extend this arc. Both the arcs must meet each other, okay. And now what we can do is that here let me mark the point and let me pass the line from this point of intersection. So, let me draw the line here, okay. So, this has to be like this, and this will be making 90-degree angle, and the total length is 7.5 centimeter, 7.5, let me write at the middle, okay. And now as this is a perpendicular bisector, so what is the role of perpendicular bisector? That it will be dividing the baseline into equal halves. So, this is around 3.75 on this side and 3.75 on the other side, and these two parts are equal. And what description? This is the position for locus of that point P, and it is a perpendicular bisector, 3.75 on this side, 3.75 on this side. This is perpendicular bisector. I hope you are clear about this, and let us move to the next question. And let me read question from the book. Question 4 says, describe the locus of point Q, which moves in the plane so that it's always 5 centimeter from the given straight line L. Okay, so recall what locus is there, which is always at equal distance from one fixed line, that is the set of parallel lines. And here the problem is that in this question he is not giving us the length of that line. So, we can choose any suitable length of that line L. So, let me draw the suitable length of line. Suppose this is 8 centimeter. Let me keep the ruler little up. Suppose line L. Line L is this is your line L, and then what we have to do, we have to open arm of compass of what radius, that is 5 centimeter. Now, let me hold my compass and 5 centimeter. You have to do this whole work with pencil, but as I want to show this work clearly, so that is why I am using pen. This is 5 centimeter open, and now what we have to do is we have to construct the arcs. We have to construct two semicircular arcs here, one arc at this place, and let me go back. One arc downward, and this will give me height 5 centimeter at every point. Okay, I hope you are clear, and let me repeat the process at this in this way. Okay, now what we can do is that we can draw the line, and this line will always be at the fixed distance from that fixed line. Okay, and then over here as well. In this way we will remain at equal distance from all parts of that fixed line. That is the reason of drawing these circular arcs. Okay, and this length is 5 centimeter. Yes, this is 5 centimeter, and this is again 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter, and this is your required locus. Okay, so what we can do is that description is that locus of point Q are two parallel lines which are 5 centimeter away from fixed line. Okay, moving to the next part, and in the next part the question says that question number 6, two straight lines AB and CD intersect at right angle, and then at point O we have two straight lines and which are intersecting, meeting each other at point O, and they are making 90-degree angle at point O. Draw each of the following using the separate diagram. Like in the first part, we have to construct the locus of point O 2.5 centimeter from O. Okay, so first of all the instruction is that we have to construct two lines which are AB and CD, and there is no specific length given here. So, we can draw AB and CD of suitable measurement. Okay, this is suppose 6, and let me mark the point, and this is 6. There is no hard and fast rule, but try to give beauty to your work. This is okay, AB and CD, AB and CD which meet each other at point O. Okay, and now we have to construct the locus of the point which is 2.5 centimeter from O. So, recall what locus is there which is always at equal distance from one fixed point, that is the circle of radius given, and in this question the radius is 2.5. So, I will be opening arm of compass of radius 2.5 and I have to draw a circle carefully. Okay. This way. Really easy question. Just what I can feel is that if the conditions are clear, then we can easily draw these all loci. Okay, and you have to watch and understand these all lessons properly, because the next exercise will be the combination of these all types of loci, and this is the radius and 2.5 centimeter, and this is required locus. It's a circle. It is a circle of radius 2.5 centimeters. Moving to the second part, locus of point 3 centimeter from CD. 3 centimeter from CD. Again, what we have to do, first of all, we have to construct AB and CD lines. AB and CD lines. This is suppose my AB line, AB and CD, CD, CD. Okay. Now I have to construct CD line carefully. This is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeters. Okay, CD. There is no hard and fast rule of drawing the line. You can draw the line of a suitable measurement. And what locus we have to draw? Locus which is 3 centimeter from CD. So, what locus is that? Recall students, that is the set of parallel lines. So, I have to open arm of compass of what radius? 3 centimeter, and I have to draw arcs over here. This will be giving me the position, and this will be helping me in keeping my lines at the equal distance. Otherwise, we can have the distance varying from different places. Okay. So, you have to keep this point in mind, and you should know the purpose of drawing these arcs. Okay. And then I have to go on this side as well. I have to go on this side as well, and I am not repeating the process, because in that way my work can become messy. And let me remove this. That was my general assessment that I can accommodate that work on this place. And now what I have to do is that I have to draw the line here. Okay, let me keep my ruler. I am going really slow because this is the introductory class, so that all of my students can understand this lesson properly, and I have to draw the line at this place as well. Okay. So, this distance will be always 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and this is always 3 centimeter. Yes, this is 3 centimeter. Okay, and this is your required loci. This is your required loci. Okay. And this is the set of parallel lines. Set of parallel lines. Let me keep parallel lines. Okay. Of the point equidistance from C and O. So, again recall that what locus is there which is always at equal distance from two fixed points. So, first let me draw the line AB and CD. AB and CD. This is AB line, AB line, and this is CD line, and they are meeting each other at what point, students? At point O, and making 90-degree angle. making 90-degree angle. And now what we have to do is we have to construct the locus of point which is equidistant from C and O. So, recall what locus I have to construct. I have to construct the perpendicular bisector. So, in order to construct the perpendicular bisector, what I have to do is I have to open arm of compass little more than half of the baseline by observation. By observation, this goes, okay. Now repeat the process with the same open compass. With the same open compass, do not disturb the radius of compass, okay. And you should have this petal type formation in your working, and then this we have to join the line, draw the line, and this line will be dividing the baseline into equal halves, and this is your required locus, and this is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Okay, moving to the next part, that is the locus of the point P equidistant from OB and OD. OB and OD. Now look here, we have 4 letters, okay, and which letter is common? Letter O is common. This is the indication that what locus we have to construct. We have to construct the angle bisector of which vertex, which letter, angle O, and we have to locate the place that bisector will be like equidistant from OB and OD. So, it means we have to construct the angle bisector of this angle. So, first let me draw 2 suitable lines. Let me draw 2 suitable lines, AB and CD. So, you can see that if the conditions of locus are clear to you, then you can easily construct these all type of loci. So, please watch and understand those all basic lessons, so that this topic and this exercise becomes easy for you, okay. And then, okay, this is your AB line, AB, this is fixed point O, 90-degree angle, C and D. C and D. Now recall the procedure for the construction of angle bisector, that I have to open arm of compass of suitable radius, and I have to take which vertex, the common letter, which is letter O, as the center, and I have to draw the arc. This arc will be meeting the angle arms at 2 points with the same open compass. You have to take the point of intersection of this arc and the angle arm and draw the arc in the angle region, and repeat the process with other point of intersection. Again you will have petal type formation, and you have to pass the line from this point and join it to the vertex of angle, okay. Let me keep it little straight. This is O, okay, and O, E. Now, when you will be keeping the protector, you can have this portion equal to this portion, okay. Let me color these 2 portions so that my students can understand this easily, that due to the angle bisector, this portion of angle will be equal to this portion of angle, and this will be this O to E. O to E will be the required place where that object can be, and it is the angle bisector. Angle bisector. Moving to the next question, and the next question is that draw 2 intersecting lines L and M, okay, and draw the locus of the point P which moves such that its equidistance from L and M. Okay, look students, here he is not giving us the length of these lines. He is saying that we have to draw 2 intersecting lines L and M, suppose this is L and this is M, okay, and they are meeting, intersecting each other at points, suppose O, okay. Then we have to construct the locus of the point P, which moves such that it's always at equal distance from these two lines. So recall that what locus is there which is always at equal distance from two intersecting lines, that is the angle bisector. So what we have to do is that we have to first draw some angle of suitable Mayer, okay, and for that purpose I can draw two lines. Let this line be L and this is M. These are two intersecting lines, L and M. This is line L and this is line M. And now as we need to draw the locus which is always at equal distance from two intersecting lines, means I have to construct the angle bisector. And recall the procedure that what we have to do, we have to open arm of compass of suitable radius, and we have to take the point of intersection of the lines, suppose vertex O as the center, and draw an arc. That arc will be meeting at 2 points on the angle arm, let that be A and B. And now with the same open compass, keep the needle at point A and mark the arc in the angular region, and then repeat the process for the other vertex, okay, and you will have this petal type formation in your working. And students, this is also one of the common questions of students, that are we going to rub these arcs after working? No, not at all. This is a part of the solution and procedure. So these all arcs have to remain in your working, okay. So now what I have to do, I have to draw the line carefully that should join with the vertex of this angle and pass through the point of intersection of these arcs, and this is C. Okay, now this is the required locus and its angle bisector. Locus of point P. Now again the role of this bisector is that C to B angular turn. Yes, C to B angular turn will be equal to A to C angular turn when you will be measuring these two parts of this angle. They and the original angle or basic angle will be divided in two equal parts. I hope really easy and interesting questions, and they are very much applicable in your everyday life. So please watch and understand these all questions properly. Moving to the next question. First instruction is that we have to construct angle XYZ of 60° Mayer. So first of all, we have to draw the angle, and this time students, I will be helping you, telling you that if you do not have your protractor with you, how can you easily construct 60° angle with the help of compass only. This is also one of the problem of the students, that they mostly forget to bring a protractor, and this becomes a problem for the students to how to construct the angle, especially of 60, 120, 90 and 45 degrees and 30 degrees. So let's resolve this problem as well. So in order to construct the angle with compass, what I will be doing, I will first be drawing a semicircle at any one vertex of the suitable radius. Okay, semicircle of suitable radius, and then this semicircle will be meeting the baseline at some point. I will be now keeping the compass at that place, that point of intersection, and with same open compass I have to draw the arc on that semicircle, and then I have to draw the line to make the angle. Sorry, okay, let me make change. Okay, and then we will be experiencing as well that whether that is of Meyer 60 degree or not, but the question says that construct an angle x, y and z. So, this vertex will be x and this will be y, and how will be finding it out, that which letter will be taken at the middle place. The letter on which we will have the angle, that will be the angle at the middle place, and this is third letter, which is z. Okay. Now, we have to check that whether it is 60 degree Meyer or not. So, for that purpose what we can do is that we can keep the protractor over here, and look students, this is exactly 60 degrees. Okay. So, students, I hope you are clear that if you do not have the protractor with you during exam, you can easily draw the angle with the help of compass. Okay. And now, what we have to do with the same open compass, I have to mark an arc over here in the angle region, and I have to mark the second arc from this place. Okay. And now, join this point with the vertex of angle. Let me do it more accurately, because my students will be watching this all, and let it be T or whatever you want to. And now, we can have the experience that whether from this point A and B, A to T turn is equal to B to T turn or not, and what is the measurement of that. Let me keep the protractor here, and now you can see that this is 10, 20 and 30 degrees, and this is 30 degrees. So, it means that this line is dividing the basic angle in two parts, and this is the position of that locus of point P, and it is an angle bisector. Okay. And now, let me highlight these two parts so that my students can see this clearly, this part and this part. Moving to the next question, and let us read the question. Construct the triangle BC, in which AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter and CA is 8 centimeter. AB 6 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter and AC or CA is 8 centimeter. Draw the locus of the point P such that its equidistance from A and C. Okay. Now, look students, first of all, the basic field that we have to draw here is that we have to construct the triangle when all three lengths are given. So, if you are not clear how to construct the triangle when three lengths are given, you have to watch the basic lesson, for which I will be giving the link of the lesson in the description box, so that you should have good command on the construction of triangle with three different conditions, like when all three lengths are given, or two lengths and included angle is given, or one base and two angles are given. So that this exercise and the next exercise this become easy for you. So, we have to construct the baseline 6 centimeter, AB is 6 centimeter, AB, BC and AC, okay, 6 centimeter. You have to be really accurate about the measurements that you are drawing. So, if the basic measurements are not correct, your question will also be not correct. This is 6 centimeter, and now the construction, rest two arms will be constructed with the help of compass, not with the help of ruler. BC is 7 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. So, first of all, what I have to do is I have to open arm of compass of radius 7 centimeter. I have to keep it on the ruler, open it properly. Okay, students, you can see I am keeping my compass under the camera so that you can see. Okay, and then keep the needle on vertex B, because BC is 7 centimeter, and draw the arc. That arc should not be too big and too small. both the arcs from these two vertices will have to meet, and then AC is 8 centimeter. Again what we have to do is that we have to keep the needle at 0, and on this side it has to be at 8. Okay, yes. And now what I have to do is AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter, and AC is 8 centimeter. Let me draw the arc. AC is 8 centimeter. Okay, no problem if the already drawn arc is not properly cutting, although we have the idea, we got the idea, but let me open the compass again. Don't worry, don't get upset, okay, at all. Everything has its solution. Okay, let me make it little big and small. Okay, we can change and adjust the radius. So the point where these both arcs are meeting, that has to be labeled with C, because we need to construct triangle ABC. AB is 6 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. Join B to C, join B to C, 7 centimeter, and then A to C is 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. Okay, and then I have to label as well. AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter, and AC is 8 centimeter. And then finally what we have to do is that we have to construct the locus for point P such that P is equidistant from A and C. So for that purpose what we have to do, we have to construct the perpendicular bisector. Why we have to construct the perpendicular bisector? Because the required locus is at equal distance from two fixed points. For that purpose we need to open arm of compass little more than half and draw the arcs, one above, one below the line. Okay, and repeat the process from the other vertex. These two arcs will be cutting each other, meeting each other at one point, and then what we have to do, we have to pass the line from that point of intersection. And if it is a perpendicular bisector, students, what is the role of perpendicular bisector? Let me check it. That if it is perpendicular bisector, it will be dividing the baseline in two equal halves, Yes, this is 4 centimeter, look carefully, and this is again 4 centimeter. This line part and this part becomes same, and this is the required locus. Okay. Okay, and it's what locus is this? It is perpendicular bisector. Okay, moving to the next question, and the next question says that construct the triangle PQR. PQR in which QR is 8 centimeter and angle Q is of 70 degrees and PR is 9 centimeter, and we have to construct the locus which represents the points equidistant from PQ and QR. Okay, recall students that what locus we have to draw when we have like 4 letters. Like this is the indication, this is the rule that you can keep in your mind, that when we have 4 letters, 2 intersecting lines, we have to see which letter is common over there, and that will be telling us that one thing, that we have to construct the angle bisector, and we have to construct the angle bisector of the letter which is common over here. So first thing is that we have to construct the triangle PQR in which one of the line QR is 8 centimeter. So I will be drawing QR line 8 centimeter. So I have to be really careful. QR line 8 centimeter, all measurements have to be really accurate. Okay, let me keep the ruler on this side. This is Q to R and this is 8 centimeter. Q to R, 8 centimeter. QR, 8 centimeter. And then what we have to do, we have to construct the angle at what vertex? Angle Q, because that is the middle letter, and on this letter the cap is drawn, and that is of my 70 degrees. So, this is the inner scale I am reading. I have to first mark the point, and then I have to draw the line, join this line with letter Q, and for PR I have to take, PR is 9 centimeter. PR is 9 centimeter. So, let me open arm of compass of radius. What radius? 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter, and I have to keep this needle at what vertex? At vertex R, and then I have to draw the arc over here. By chance my arc is going in my working, but I have the solution with me. Let me first extend this line. I hope this line will not be going in working. Okay, always try to find the solution with your problem. This is position of letter P, and then join P with R. Join P with R. This is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter, and then what we have to do, we have to construct the locus, which is equidistance from PQ and QR, PQ and QR. So, for that purpose I have to open arm of compass of suitable radius. Suitable radius means it has to be not so too big and too small. Okay, it's okay. And then with the same open compass, I have to keep the needle of the compass at this point of intersection and draw the arc, and then I have to repeat the process. Very easy question and very interesting questions, and this is the geometry work, and it gives a mental relaxation as well. And now what I have to do is I have to join over here, and basically this was of 70 degree Meyer, and due to the angle bisector we can see that okay, look, almost 35 on the top side and 35 on the bottom side. Okay, so the angle bisector is dividing both parts of angle into equal halves, and the position of that point P will be on this line somewhere. And what locus is that? Okay, locus of which point? They are not giving us the name of that locus, so we can write any letter. This is the locus of point P. Okay, and this is angle bisector. I hope you are really clear about today's class. Please watch and understand these all conditions carefully, because the next exercise will be the combination of these all conditions. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.